Forget to like, share and subscribe. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4 guys. I hope you have seen Vlogmas 1, 2 and 3. I'm posting all interesting content for Christmas guys. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel guys. Okay guys, coming to the OOTD, I'm wearing a white shirt today. I'm trying to wear some Christmassy colors. Every day I can't wear red and green guys. So today I'm wearing white. So basically I'm trying to wear like red, green, white, like ice blue or even winter outfits will look good for my vlog guys. So basically I'm trying to style that way. So yes guys, today is Vlogmas Day 4. I'm very excited today because this is one of my favorite videos. Even last year I had done that and this year I wanted to try that again. For people who know me know that I love my Starbucks. I love getting coffee from my Starbucks and this is the holiday season. So they will have some Christmas special for sure guys. I hope so. It is December 4, so I think the season is already there. I hope they have something Christmassy guys. Okay guys, I wanted to go to Starbucks and check it out because I can see other things also which is Christmassy there, but unfortunately I'll have to like order it in because I have to be somewhere after this, so it won't be possible for me to walk till there. It's not very near, it's a little bit of walk, but I thought I'll get my steps that way, but then unfortunately I'll not be able to go to the store guys. But nevertheless we can order it in guys and see what is there online and then we can purchase a Christmassy coffee guys. So this video will be ordering my coffee from Starbucks Christmas edition. Okay guys, I'm excited now. Without any further ado, let's see what's there guys. Okay guys, let's see what Christmassy drink we have in Starbucks guys. This all is usually what we get. Let's check in the menu. Let's check out festive specials. Maybe there's something there. Oh, this is paneer and all that. I don't think this is Christmas related. Now let's check newly launched. Nothing as well. Okay, next let's see holiday specials guys. Yes, this is what we are looking for guys. Now these are the Christmas special coffee that is there in Starbucks guys. Let's choose one. I'm looking for a hot coffee guys. I'm really not in the mood to have like a cold coffee. So let's see guys. The crunchy red hat mocha looks good guys actually. Maybe I'll go for that. Let's order hot shot, regular milk. What else? Extra shot we don't want. And Indian espresso roast with whipped cream. Classic syrup. Let's check out. Okay guys, our coffee is here and in the instructions, cooking instructions, I had specifically mentioned please give in a Christmas coffee cup and I hope they have done that as well guys. Here is our coffee from Starbucks guys. Let's see how they have given it first of all. Okay, so this is the usual Starbucks cover that it comes in. But why is there diya? I think this is like Diwali cover guys. It's not Christmas edition. I mean this does not have to be Christmas edition, but then still I don't know what this is. Looks very much like Diwali time they had released and they continue to give in that. But let's see our coffee guys. I'm so excited. Tissue. And then we have spoon. Why spoon? Whipped cream for that maybe. Okay, here is a coffee. I still can't see the cup. Yay! It has come in a Christmas cup guys. Yay! I'm so happy. If they're not given in Christmas cup, I would have been so disappointed because that's the whole point of this video. This is the coffee we had ordered guys. And let's see. They have written so many numbers. I don't know what that is. Probably order number and all that. Okay guys, this is how the coffee looks. our Christmas coffee from Starbucks in Christmas cup, guys. Last year I remember the packaging was a little different, and this year they have done something different, I guess. It's mostly like checks and it still looks very good. Okay, now taste this time. Let's see how it is. Okay guys, I opened the lid. It's all well packed. Not a problem. Okay guys, the whipped cream has sort of like drowned inside. But then and there's something on top, guys. Let me read the description again, guys. Okay guys, it says a crunchy red hat mocha latte combines steamed milk, a generous amount of whipped vanilla, topping with a whipped chocolate hat and strawberry drizzle. I don't know if there's strawberry drizzle, guys. Finished with crunchy graham crackers. Oh, I think that's what this is floating on top. This beverage is not just delight for your eyes, but also party in your mouth. And all that, and how many calories and all that they have written. It really smells so good. The minute I opened the pack, it smelled very nice. So now let's try and see how it is. So good, guys. Actually, as I drink, I can get the strawberry drizzle and the whatever graham crackers on top they had put, right? That and all is very good. Even though the whipped cream kind of like melted inside, it's still not bad. I wish it was on top, but then it's a delivery, right? So obviously it's gonna be that way, and that's okay. This order that I placed, guys, it's very much on the chocolatey side, which is very nice. It's very chocolatey, more like a hot chocolate, but it has like a coffee taste, and there's a strawberry drizzle and the graham crackers, which is so good. It's like all in one, and it's very tasty, guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna sit and enjoy my coffee now. Hope you also are getting your coffee and having now, guys. And after this, I'll be stepping out for a bit, guys, and once I come back, I'll see you again, guys. Bye guys.
Okay guys, on the way back home, I'm picking few things from Zudio Beauty. These wet wipes are always very good, so I'm picking few of those.
Home now. I'm finally back. So when I was coming back, I stopped at Zudio and got like a couple of things. So I thought I'll show that to you guys. So the first thing I got is wet wipes, guys. These are so helpful, and Zudio has amazing wet wipes at a very affordable cost. And ever since I started doing content creation, guys, most of the days I apply makeup, right? Because I have to film, I have to post content and all that. So always I'm applying makeup, and wet wipes are one of the easiest solution to remove your makeup, guys. And then you can apply your makeup remover balm and face wash and all that. But to first remove the makeup layer, this is very helpful, guys. I've always noticed it is very helpful in removing makeup, and also not just for makeup, guys. In general, wet wipes are very helpful if you're traveling, if you're going out. I think keeping a wet wipe is very handy. Okay guys, so I got 3 wet wipes, right? So the first one is Zudio Cucumber and Vitamin E wet wipes. Then I got the Zudio Watermelon and Niacinamide wet wipes. And then Zudio Grapefruit and Hyaluronic Acid wet wipes. So nice. Oh, and then one more wet wipe I've got, guys, which I completely forgot to show. This is the one that I've got. This is the Zudio Erased Lip Color Remover Wipes enriched with tea tree and jasmine, biodegradable. So this is the one that I've got, guys. So since I wear lip color most of the time, this will be easy to remove it. Okay guys, to be very honest, in Zudio Beauty, except for wet wipes, I don't purchase too many things. I don't buy their makeup and skincare because I don't know, I am not very fond of it. But this time I was just checking out for a very long time, and I thought like maybe I can try some of the things. And I got the Zudio Down to Chill Under Eye Patch. I have seen like a lot of people like applying patch and like talking, and it's so cool. And I also wanted to like apply some patch because my sleep is so less now with like work and like Vlogmas and like brand collabs and like 50 days to 2026 challenge. It's been crazy. I've been surviving on 4 to 5 hours sleep every day now, which is very bad. So just to calm my under eye, I got this under eye patch. I think it will be useful, and it's very affordable in Zudio actually. And then I didn't want to like purchase this, but I realized I didn't have it. So I anyways picked it up. This is the Zudio Dry Shampoo Instant Refresh and Volume Boost. I don't apply too much dry shampoo, guys, to be very honest. Every 2 to 3 days I wash my hair once, but then I still thought like as a backup or something I can have like a dry shampoo in case I need someday. So I picked this dry shampoo, guys, just in case I need it. So I just bought it, guys. And then, guys, one thing I was searching in Zudio, because I remember in my entire Thailand trip which I went in March this year, I only used this, which is so surprising to me because I didn't know from Zudio I like this so much. And initially when I was checking, I couldn't find only this particular range, which was very surprising because it is that good. And then for some reason they moved us from Zudio Beauty billing counter to the Zudio actual like clothing billing counter, right? They asked us to go there. There I found it, guys, and I was like, I am picking it. I'm talking about the Zudio perfume in the fragrance Sunday. It is so good, guys. My entire Thailand trip I had used this only, and it is so pocket friendly. That's one of the main reasons I like it very much. So they have a perfume for each day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I have tried all of them. It is not something that I like. Maybe you would like it, I don't know, guys. But this Sunday one is so good. Like literally I was searching for this pink one and I couldn't find, and finally when I found it in the clothing billing counter, I was so happy, guys. If you want, you can try this out. Zudio perfume in the fragrance Sunday. Plus what surprises me the most is the price point, guys. It is just 79 rupees. Like this perfume is only 79 rupees and it smells so good actually. It reminds me of Thailand when I smell of this because this is what I use for the entire trip. I carried my Chanel perfume and also my Dolce & Gabbana perfume, but this is the one that I use, guys. It is that good. It's also very easy to carry, guys. Even for the day, if I'm just going out somewhere, I can just put it in my bag and go. It is very travel friendly. It's very nice. The fragrance is amazing. I love this one, guys. Okay guys, that's pretty much that I got from Zudio, guys. With that, I'm gonna end this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 4, guys. I'll see you in Vlogmas Day 5. Bye, guys.